Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into outshine. 11 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Eclipse. Which means deprive someone or something of significance or power. Eclipse. For example, the economy has eclipsed the environment as the main issue. Number 2. Excel. Which means be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Excel. For example, she excelled him in her command of the language. Number 3. Exceed. Which means be better than. Exceed. For example, Brazil far exceeds America in available fertile land. Number 4. Transcend. Which means surpass a person or achievement. Transcend. For example, his latest bout of bad behavior transcended even his own worst excesses. Number 5. Dwarf. Which means cause to seem small or insignificant in comparison. Dwarf. For example, either of the two blocks would dwarf any existing building in Ireland. Number 6. Top. Which means exceed an amount, level, or number. Top. For example, losses are expected to top £100 million this year. Number 7. Overshadow. Which means be more impressive or successful than another person. Overshadow. For example, he was always overshadowed by his brilliant elder brother. Number 8. Trump. Which means surpass something by saying or doing something better. Trump. For example, by wearing the simplest of dresses and no jewelry, she had trumped them all. Number 9. Cap. Which means follow or reply to a story, remark, or joke by producing a better one. Cap. For example, he prayed no wit would cap his remark with some repartee. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.